Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer and welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to support the silver stacking community on YouTube, click subscribe. We are approaching 50,000 subscribers, which is a monumental number for a silver stacking channel. That is a staple in the community. It proves a point that the silver community is growing and growing faster and stronger than ever. I'm also doing a massive 50,000 subscriber giveaway. You don't want to miss it, trust me. Now, I really need you to participate in this video or the video will not be complete. I'm making this video because I want this to be a conversation, and mainly in the comment section. I'm going to throw my 2 cents out there, but the comments, you watching this right now, yes, I'm pointing at you through the screen. You and you over there in the back and you over there in the front right corner, you are all going to make this video what it really is. 2021 going through fast, right? And a lot of people predicted $30+ silver, even $50 silver by the end of 2021. And yes, this is the partition part that's going to make this video complete. I need you to tell me what you think the price of silver is going to be by the end of 2021 and then also by the end of 2022. And we're going to go by spot price. We're not going to do the physical ounce. Let's just keep this video simple. What do you think silver's price is going to be by the end of 2021? And then also by the end of 2022, so just comment 2 prices, but most importantly, explain why. The why is the most important part. We could just say 2 prices, but if we don't explain why, then we're not saying much. Yes, it will be nice to see some averages, but I really want you all to explain that because that gives context, and then we can have a conversation from there. Then that sparks conversation. I really want every single person to participate in this. That would make this video so much better, and I want you to read other people's responses. Please be respectful. If someone says a price that you don't agree with, don't bash them. This is all opinionated. This is all us just sharing our opinion for our passion that we're all on the same team playing for, not against. I really want my comment section to stay positive. Shout out to Joker's Wild for always keeping the comment section clean. Shout out to you, my friend. He's done so much. He's saved so many people from getting scammed because there's a lot of impersonators on my channel. Use the same thumbnail, use the same name, and they'll try to tell you to click some blue link or some WhatsApp. Do not text that. Do not respond. They're going to try to scam you. Me and Joker's Wild spend all day deleting these comments, blocking these people, and reporting them. So yeah, that's just a little side note. Be careful, because if it doesn't have a check mark, if my name isn't highlighted, it's not me responding to you. But yeah, so that's the participation part. I really want everyone to comment, let me know, and I'm about to tell you what my prediction, my forecast is in a second. And the most important part to remember is premiums are growing. Spot price is detached from the physical price, and it's only going to be getting larger, and that gap is going to be bigger. So when silver hits $35 an ounce, we'll probably be paying $55 an ounce for the physical price, because spot price is essentially irrelevant now since silver is becoming more scarce. So when we're talking about $30 spot price silver, as so many people predicted, we're talking about Bank of America, we're talking about the Silver Institute themselves, Goldman Sachs. So many people predicted 30+, even $50+ silver. We're talking about banks even saying this. So there's 4 or 5 months left in the year. We are approaching the holidays, and historically, looking at the charts, precious metals usually hold their prices and even rally a little bit. They don't fall, they don't sell off. So since we're already entering a bull market, prices are starting to turn around. It's looking like there may even be a rally over the next couple of months. $30 silver is easily a price target we can reach. and that's talking about spot price. We already have to pay $30 for a physical ounce, right? And that's something to take note of, because a lot of people that predicted $30 silver, they're right. They're already right, because if you're going to tell me spot price is $23, but I can't buy a physical ounce of silver for $30, then what's the real price of silver? $30. If someone's gonna ask you, oh, you invest into silver, how much would it cost to buy, an American Eagle? You would say $30. So to that person, silver's $30 an ounce. If you told them, well, spot price is 23, but you're gonna have to pay $30 an ounce, what are they gonna, in their mind, what are they gonna think the price of silver is? $30. So 2021's coming to an end. And the funniest part about all this is the main things that are going to affect the price of silver haven't even happened yet. We're just getting started. Actually, it really hasn't even started yet. So all of the stuff that has led up to this right now, even these huge premiums, is just the beginning. It's actually the beginning before the beginning. And that's an exciting thing to know, but it also means you have to be taking advantage of these prices right now. I'm not going to be a silver pumper. I'm not going to tell you that silver is going to hit $100 in 2022. And anyone that is telling you that, you might want to reconsider watching or listening to them, because that is just unrealistic. That's going to give you false hope, unrealistic expectations, which leads to resentments that can actually, at the end of the day, push you away from precious metals, because you're like, wait, I'm buying all this silver. I thought it was going to skyrocket tomorrow. And that is something that is dangerous to tell people, because that is also misinforming them to strategize differently. Maybe they are. And if you knew that silver wouldn't hit $100 for, let's say, 3-4 years compared to 6 months to a year, wouldn't that dramatically change how you're investing? That's why you have to give people more realistic numbers than trying to just exaggerate everything and blow it out of proportion. Regardless if there was this global situation that has happened over the last year and a half, I would still be making videos right now talking about why silver has so much potential, why silver is still a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. I would still be making the same videos like I have. But since this situation is happening, it's just speeding up things times 10. So we have to be on our toes. We got to be on our P's and Q's. We got to be on our A game. We have to be able to adjust and adapt accordingly, because I can guarantee if silver wasn't scarce, if this situation wasn't happening or didn't happen, we would not see these massive premiums. Before this happened, American Eagles were $2-3 over spot. Now they're $12-13 over spot. Even a generic round is $10-11 over spot. If you don't believe me, go to APMEX, go to JM Bullion, see what spot price is, and then click a generic round and see how much you have to pay for it. And remember, it's $200+ to get free shipping. So you have to also incorporate that. If you're not going to spend $200, you also have to pay the taxes or the shipping fees, which is insane to think about. So I personally think that silver is going to sit around $28 by the end of 2021. $27, $28. Going into 2022, I think by March-ish, we'll break through $30. And if that happens, we're going to probably see $40 fast. If it doesn't happen, which there's a good chance that it could stay around 30, 31, or even 28, then things might settle there. But that psychological $30 level is critical, because when we break through that, especially since there's been so much resistance since the last time silver was approaching or hit $30 from the Wall Street silver movement, a lot of noise will be made, a lot of articles, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of people are going to be trying to jump on the silver train again. It's going to re-spark that validation, that confirmation that people need, that faith, that hope that a lot of people need, me and you don't, Regardless of spot price is $15 or $35, me and you are going to still be buying silver. I know that. I don't have to tell you that. I already know you know. I'm talking about the majority, the other half of people, the other half that still don't understand silver's true value. But this is starting to become more mainstream. People are starting to say, hold on, what's up with this interest rate stuff? What's up with the government starting to really expose the truth, the transparent truth? Channels like mine that do expose the truth are becoming more popular, starting to be less and less suppressed on YouTube. I mean, look, approaching 50K. Last month was my best performing month ever on my channel, so that shows that my videos are growing, more people are paying attention, more people are listening and wanting to listen as well. Because even the retention, the watch time on my videos are up. I'm averaging 6-7 minute watch time. That is insane for a YouTube channel. Most YouTube channels watch time averages 2-3 minutes. That's the attention span of most people. 2-3 minutes, they click off. But my watch time is like 7 minutes. So you guys are actually listening, paying attention, and wanting to get this information. And that shows a lot. That speaks for itself. So thank you all for that as well. So I really hope that you all comment down below. I really am excited to hear what you all have to say. A lot of times we're only talking about my opinion or someone else's opinion on an article that I'm covering, and then I'll break down my opinion. But this video is for you. I want you to be in the spotlight. I want to give you a platform, and I want everyone else watching this video to also hear what you have to say. And please listen to what other people have to say. You might make a good point that I've never thought about or that I missed, or maybe you're reading someone else's comment that makes a good point that you never thought of, or maybe you didn't mention, and that could help us dramatically. That can adjust, adapt, that can help us tweak our strategy to be as profitable, as successful as possible. Plus, make friends. I mean, we're all in the same boat. We all have the same passion. We all have the same love. We're all addicted to silver to some degree. Make friends. Make friends. Now, you don't have to go texting people or trading or buying stuff off them because that's dangerous. Not everyone is genuine. Not everyone has the best motives. So be careful. Please be careful. But still, make some friends out there. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this video is going to be very educational, informational, even entertaining to some degree. And I really hope that you all are interacting in the comment section. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Not for my sake, for your own. You can't be blindly investing. Making all these friends and commenting, I mean, that's so vital in the silver stacking world. Just to keep fresh, updated information, just to communicate, and that itself can be a very valuable thing. Just investing by yourself, not talking to anyone, not sharing your thoughts, not listening to other people's thoughts, can really isolate you, and you could start driving yourself crazy with fear, uncertainty, doubt, all of that stuff as well. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.